So, hello fellow coin collectors, and today on Gumadi we have a mail call, and we are going to see what new products I have today and whether they're actually good for my collection or just on sale. But first of all, have a look at the stamps that they've sent. So this one is a 1987, because 200 years, the first fleet, and these would have actually been a sheet of collector's stamps, but as you know, or you might not know, stamp collecting is pretty much dead. And here's a... So, these people have just gotten these stamps. You can actually buy these for face value in coin sets. I think I'll do a video on these stamps and the state of stamp collecting. Then there's a 2 cent, so we don't use 2 cent coins anymore. So they don't actually sell 2 cent stamps, but this one's quite old. Looks like a coal hopper. Beautiful stamp. Then we have another one. As you can see, the price of postage in Australia has gone up again to $1.10. So 10% increase starting, I think, the 1st of this year. So that's a modern stamp. This is quite an old stamp from the 80s, I believe, or maybe 70s. And then we have some more older stamps. So this was $2.10. This would have been a Christmas stamp, so I think the price back then was about 70 cents, 60, 65 I think. There is another Christmas stamp with Santa Claus. So I'll open these up and we'll see what we have. Okay, so the first lot I have is a bunch of Hong Kong coins. So let's see if we've got any good dates on Hong Kong coins. Generally, they are usually just pretty common dates, and they're usually just good to sell as bulk items. So we have some coins that are legal tender still, like this $2, still legal tender. And a 50 cents, so this is still legal tender because it's the same size as current coins. 77, about 100 million each. 1960, 1970, both have security edge reading, but these are actually not very expensive, so that's why I got them. This has got the H mint mark, the 1960 for Heaton, and 1970 also got H. So talk about in between the L's, underneath the L's, you can see a H, and that one as well. So I think this one had about 40 million, so quite a common coin, but look at this, is high grade. Little bit of damage on the rims, but it is a nice coin. 1970, I can't remember the mintages, but this is actually quite a nice common coin. These are not legal tender anymore. You can't spend these in Hong Kong, and people will be confused if you actually give them. Okay, these two, 79, $2, and 76, 20 cents. Still the same size as current coins, so these are still legal tender. You can spend them. And these ones still pretty common in Hong Kong. This one, 1975, first year of issue. Quite a common coin. I think there's like 60 or 70 million. Okay, two 10-cent coins. 1950, 1974, no longer legal tender because they're bigger than the current 10-cent coin. And George the Sixth, Elizabeth II. And you can see after 1970, they actually just went milled where there was a security milling. A 50 cent. As you can see, the difference from the bronze coin. So this is 1972 copper nickel coin, pretty common, reeded, and different effigy that they adopted with the new coinage to differentiate it. So that's those coins. What would be the value of those? $5 to $10, I'd say. And I have some new pennies. So this one is a no dot 1920 coin. Does it have any errors? Don't see any errors. Probably fine condition. So there's that coin. Then we have a 1922. Looks like a nice coin. I'm gonna put these in 2x2 coin covers. So nothing on that one. And I have a 1921 nice coin. Don't know why I actually bought these. Does it have any? How about the end? No. Anyway. Is that a rotated coin? Oh yeah, that one's rotated. So turn it that way. Yeah. How about these? Are these rotated? It doesn't look like any errors on that one. No. Don't think so. How about these? Is this rotated? Nope. Nope. So that's a good one. 1921 rotated coin. But I need to look up to see what I need to find in the errors. And then we have the last one. So it's in... Oh. What is it? Oh, okay. This is from a seller I've actually purchased off before. Ah, damn. The sticky tape that he uses just rips the coin covers off. So I just have to cut it with the sticky tape. Okay, so I brought these two errors. They weren't actually much. I'm not too sure how much they are. So TH die crack through. Okay, so what we're looking for is at the top here. So, oh yeah, I can see the die crack. Maybe the camera doesn't want to show it, but it actually, because of the reflection, it actually goes through up there. You can see it between the O and the F, and the F and the A, and it goes through to the T. So it's the die crack, 1917 penny. 1917 is not a low mint, quite a high mint, but that's a die crack. That's actually worth keeping. And that's what I'm going to put the other coin in. And then I have another 1919. This one's supposed to have an N between the two ends. No. See, the problem with these is that it's hard to tell. There should be another N right here. So I took the coin out. It's actually easier to see now. So you can see there is an imprint of an N right there in between the N. And this seems to be not a rare coin on the 1918 to 1919 coins. So it's actually very, very easy to actually find these if you look for errors. And this one's probably in a fine condition, as you can see. But I actually just wanted to buy this coin for another coin video. So 1919 with errors. And that one, does it have a dot underneath? No, it doesn't look like. No dot penny. Although it does have a lot of damage. And also, looks like it has, might be something there. You can see it there with the reflection, but it might be nothing as well. It might just be more damage. But it's just this part that I actually wanted. So anyway, that's the new coins for today. And I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and have an awesome coin collecting time. Thank you and bye bye.